Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to do always typing prank on your Discord. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First, open the Discord on any browser and then press F12 on your keyboard here, and then click on a Discord channel where you want to prank, and then click on the two arrows here and switch to network, and then type anything here. Now your typing is appear here. Now click on a typing and then scroll down and find authorization. Here, copy the code and go to Insomnia website. Create your account and then install the application. After installing the application, click on a new collection, click on a create, and then click on new HTTP request, and then click on get, and then select post. Now click on headers and type here authorization. Here, and then paste the code here. This code, copy and paste here. And now you can see the link, copy the link and paste on Insomnia here. And now go to Discord, copy the channel ID here, back to Insomnia and paste here. Now go back to Discord again, click on a setting, user setting, and scroll down and click on advanced, and make sure your developer mode is on. And now go back on Insomnia and now click on send here, and then click on repeat on interval and make it 8 seconds, and click on start. And now your forever typing mode is on. If you want to cancel your forever typing mode, then simply click on a cancel. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe my channel, like my video.